Hello and welcome to the Getting Started with the IgorBox series. In this video, I want to explain how to accept your invite and create your IgorBox account. So IgorBox is currently invite only for our new studio access. You automatically get an invite when you purchase an IgorBox controller. So after your purchase, you will receive an email telling you that you have been invited to join IgorBox.com. That email will look like this. So welcome to IgorBox. Thanks for joining IgorBox. Sign in here. Now this is a Gmail account. So I'm going to click on create account and you'll be brought to this exact same page. Now you'll see that we can sign in with Google, and that's what we're going to do. If we need to, you can sign in with the email. If your email address was different than, if your email address was not a Google account, you'll have to do this the first time. But we'll just sign in with Google because we're going to Google account. And we'll say, is this the account you want to use? Yep, we will use that. We will authorize Google to sign us in, and you'll be presented with this. And you'll see it's using my Google information, Fritz Frankenstein here. I'm going to give it a phone number. And then it's going to ask for your address. This is a required field just for verification purposes. We don't share any of this information, just so as you're aware. I'm going to put in my office. Orange Avenue, Daytona. And there it is. And our terms and service and privacy policy are here. We'll agree to that. And then you'll be presented with this, which will bring you to the ability to personalize. So you can choose different color schemes. We have some interesting little color schemes. And you can also choose, get ready for the flash bomb. You can choose light mode if you're into that, or dark mode. So I'm going to keep it on default. And I'm going to use the Fritz avatar from Google. And I'm going to leave email notifications on. Again, these are not marketing emails. These are just basically basic news updates as well as other things. Really, we don't sell any of your information. So if it is a problem, you can always turn that off later. We're going to complete the setup. And welcome to IgorBox. Now you'll see that our account is now set up at account.igorbox.com. We have our new account here, and we have a prompt to tell us to create a new IgorBox Studio. Before we move on to IgorBox Studio, I do want to show you that you can attach additional accounts for login for later. So after you've logged in, whether you use the login link or you used a Google account, maybe you want to log in with Facebook later. You can always click on connect here, connect your Facebook account or connect your Discord account for that matter. There's some cool Discord stuff we can talk about in a later video that extra benefits for Discord. But then once these are connected, you can then, whenever you find yourself on the screen, you can use any of the accounts you've previously connected as a way to authenticate yourself and log in. So that's an additional small feature there. And you also have the ability to change the theme that you want to use, and your dark and light mode here. You also have dark light mode up here if you want to toggle it from anywhere in any of the IgorBox applications. That pretty much covers creating your account with IgorBox.com, accepting your invite. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect to our Discord and why you would want to do that, as well as some of the additional benefits you get with Discord and Carlbot on Discord. So that'll be the next video.